Hello, happy holidays. So glad you could come. Hey, Dale will be out in a minute. He's back getting ready. Come on into the family room. We've got the fire burning in the Apple TV. We've got the tree twinkling. Come on in, have a seat. Oh, we are so glad that you could spend a little time with us during the busy holiday season. It is Christmas Eve in Las Vegas.
It's a beautiful day today, too.
It is. It's just magical time here in the desert. And actually, while you're here, bear with us. Let's have a cup of tea. We wanted to share a little home movie with you. Something special happened to us 35 years ago today. What are you doing, young man?
No, nothing.
Wrong holiday.
Oh.
Back to it. Something really magical happened to us 35 years ago today. So let's take a peek at what that was.
And we'll tell you all about it after you see it.
Yeah, watch.
Yeah, watch.
Okay, meet Dale and Paula McKenzie and their 2-year-old son Scott of Olmsted Falls.
Scott, you want to take this?
Take it.
That's from you.
Mommy.
That's from you.
Like so many families, Christmas means packing up all the presents, the cookies, and going home to Mom and Dad's to share this very special evening.
Okay, let's roll them.
I know.
It's a scene being repeated over and over tonight. Betty and Vern McKenzie, Grandma and Grandpa, have been waiting for the kids, and just like every other year, they always seem to have everything ready. The meals are planned with care days ahead of time.
What are you cooking tonight? Ham for tonight, turkey for tomorrow.
All right.
Smell like cooking.
It's a very special time of the year, one when memories are made that'll last a lifetime. A time for one's own personal thoughts about Christmas.
Okay, what'd you think about that, guys? That was taken 35 years ago by a local television station. They called us up and they asked if they could film our family on Christmas Eve.
And they actually called us up on Christmas Eve, so there was no prep time.
Oh, we were scurrying.
We were.
Yeah, we were really scurrying. But that was just a little insight into what happened 35 years ago. And that's why Christmas Eve is so very, very special to us, because my mom was in that, my late father's in it, and of course, our little boy Scott.
Yeah, it's a precious memory that we relive every year. And, you know, the whole TV crew and cameras and
It was very
a
exciting.
blast.
It was very
really
exciting.
exciting. That was a little showbiz for us when we were very newly married.
All right, Paula, you made some cookies the other day, didn't you?
I did, and I don't know if you guys saw on social media, but yeah, I made some sugar cookies yesterday, and actually this guy was in the kitchen getting in my way with his camera, so why waste the footage? Let's show you a little bit about cookie baking.
Absolutely, let's do it.
Cookie baking 101 at the McKenzie household. Good morning. Let's make some cookies. Welcome to a mini episode of Cooking with Paula. Nothing fancy here. It's the old-fashioned traditional sugar cookie recipe from my Betty Crocker cookbook, the one I got when I first got married. I made the dough the evening before and refrigerated it overnight. Next morning, it was time to roll out the dough and cut it into shapes. I had made a double recipe, some for us, some to share, of course. I admit it took me 2 solid hours to roll and cut, re-roll and recut, decorate and bake. Yes, guys, I do these one at a time. Alexa, set a timer for 7 minutes. Then it was icing time. I make buttercream icing for the cookies because I think it tastes better than royal icing. It has 3 simple ingredients: butter, powdered sugar, and vanilla. And lots of time and patience to pipe the icing onto the cookies. My hand was cramping terrible, I admit it. Well worth it though. The cookies look so pretty on a Christmas plate and they taste wonderful.
Okay, those cookies were terrific.
Yeah, it's a lot of hard work, I admit, but I have to say they're as delicious as they look, and I do love sharing them with people.
Yeah, and I like being the people she shares them with.
Well, you and a couple others.
Yeah, maybe a couple others.
Anyway, we wanted to thank you guys for being with us for a little bit of your Christmas Eve or whenever you watch this. And we also want to let you know that we're not posting a video this coming Sunday. Consider this it.
Yeah, this is it.
And
actually, the reason why is we're taking a little bit of time off for family, and also we're meeting a whole bunch of you guys down on the strip.
Yeah, lots of you are coming here at Christmas time, and we have plans to meet you. So excited about that.
Yeah, so we wanted to make a lot of time to meet folks.
Definitely.
Yeah, absolutely.
So we'll be back the first Sunday of January 2020 with new content for you. So stick with us.
Absolutely.
And at this point, we wanted to say Merry Christmas, Happy Hanukkah, Happy Kwanzaa, Happy New Year to everybody.
Yes, and I just personally would like to say to my brother and his wife, Merry Christmas, to his son and his family, Merry Christmas, Christopher and Amy, and their 2 little boys,
Connor and Ian.
And also, of course, most especially to Scott and Kristen, our son and his wife.
Over in California. Merry Christmas. Mwah.
Let me stop the video right here and give a very special hello to my mother, who is celebrating her 97th Christmas this year. She is in a nursing home across the country, and although we get back to visit about 3 times a year, it's really hard to be apart at the holidays.
And we have a new adopted family in England.
We do, the Fenton family, and happy holidays to you guys. We'll be seeing you soon.
Well, I hope you had a good time.
Yeah, love your hat, by the way.
Oh, yeah.
It's a fashion statement,
Let me just explain
guys.
something. When I got out of the shower, this hat was like this, with this bow up here on the sink. And I said, what is this for? And she yelled, you're wearing it in the video.
It's a costume.
Yeah.
It's showbiz, guys.
Okay, so this was her idea. I just want you to know that.
He looks festive, does he not? Come on.
All right, I hope you had a good time. We'll see you next year, everybody.
Yeah, happy holidays. Love you all.
Bye-bye. Okay, so what did you think? Think we did okay?
I hope so. I'm
I don't know.
thirsty, I admit.
I hope some people were watching this. I mean, it is Christmas Eve and everything.
Everybody's busy. I don't know.
Yeah, well, we got a lot of friends out there, so... Are you guys still here?
Come on.
No. Go home now.
We might, do something inappropriate or swear or something.
Yeah, go home. Goodbye. Merry Christmas. Bye-bye. We'll see you later.
See you later.
Bye-bye.
Are they gone yet?
I don't know.